What the fuck is good, guys? We call this shit, bro. We fucking call this shit. We know where the market's going. And we fucking do this shit. Let's fucking go. What a good Tuesday. Monday, green day. Tuesday, green day. Wednesday's gonna be a green day. Thursday's gonna be a green day. Friday's gonna be a fucking green day. Let's fucking get it. Alright? NQ recap. You know what fucking time it is. So let's go over the trades. Two trades taken today. Let me just mark this one out real quick. Two trades taken today. Alright. Let's go over it. Okay, so first things first. We had news today at 10 o'clock. So I wanted to enter the trade kind of early, which I did. I went on the short side. I wanted to see a sweep and contest this fair value gap on the daily chart. Oops. On the daily chart here. Right here. We touched it, swept these daily low, this weekly low that we were fighting at. Swept this weekly low, contested this fair value gap. Boom, bounced. 2 videos ago, I said I want to see a pullback in the market to this fair value gap. What happens? We pull back into the fair value gap, we contest that weekly low, and we fucking take off, okay? It's not hard to read this shit. It's not. Alright. We contest the weekly lows. I was holding on to see if we could see more of a pullback in the market. But we didn't get what I wanted. I really wanted to see, like something. I really wanted to see maybe we come meet halfway in the middle here and contest some of these liquidity sweeps, this 300 area, but that didn't happen. So I was still holding on to my trade. I did get stopped out. I didn't take a loss. I sold 2 contracts at plus 50, and then I sold the rest at, I sold 3 of them at negative 8. So I didn't take a loss. It was a little profit, not much, but, and then we broke, daily high, or high of the day. We broke the high of the day, right here. Enter with a strong fair value gap on the 1 minute. I see this. I'm waiting for a pullback into here, and we start chopping around. This is the 10 o'clock news right here. We start chopping around over here. So I enter right around here on this candle, into the fair value gap because I see it bounced once. My stop was below the fair value gap right here, so it was a 16. And then I was looking for a push up, which I'll show a little bit later on. We enter the trade, chopping around, and then finally we get a move up, a very strong move up, about 30 points move up. So I'm pretty confident in this trade. I haven't sold any contracts at all. We come back down, we retest this area right here. Boom, pop back up, form humongous fair value gaps on the 5. We had fair value gaps everywhere on the 5 minutes, the 15 minutes, so very bullish overall of where this market is going. So with that being said, I TP'd up over here with 125. I started exiting positions at plus 100, and I wanted to actually see this 1 hour fair value gap get contested and broken through. It got kind of close, but it didn't happen, and then next TP was actually going to be up here. Next TP was going to be up here. So I had 2 contracts running with this after I TP'd at the 125. I trailed my stop loss, so after the second contract, my stop loss was break even. After I TP'd out of my plus 100 contracts, I put my stop loss to break even. Got a big move up. And then I started trailing the stop loss under the fair value gap. So I trailed under here for a little bit. And then I was kind of just getting bored of watching the screen. I'm not going to lie. So I trailed, I think, right under here. And then this big pullback happened, which stopped me out. But yeah, good fucking day today. Let's fucking go, okay? And just to recap what we're gonna do, just, as always, recap where are we going, right? And that's the $1 million question. If everybody knew where we were going, everybody would be a millionaire. Alright, so we tested this area. I like this rejection. I like this rejection off the fair value gap. We could see, I don't know, maybe some chop like this, just like this, slowly coming up, contest this area, break through, contest this big fair value gap we have right here. We'll probably sell off here, and then push back up to all-time highs. That's what my prediction is. That's what I see. Yeah, it looks good. Definitely bullish. My daily bias is now bullish. Yeah, I definitely want to. We definitely have to. We're probably, if we just blast through this, that would be nice. But we're probably gonna get rejected here. Come back down to these levels. Our next goal of area to break is to break these highs. We need to break these highs and contest this. Other than that, I like this right here. I did want to see a little bit more blood. I wanted to see, like, maybe in this middle area, and then we go back up. That didn't happen, though, but it's okay. And now I'm just going to be, my daily bias is going to be bullish from now on. I want to see how today closes. If we could close, I would like to close above this. If we could close above this, or above this wick, which, not really possible. I mean, it's possible, but, you know, if we could close above this wick, I'd be very, very bullish. If we could close above this wick, that would be nice. Or if we could just get a full close above these two bodies, that would be a good look for bullish reasons. Other than that, that's it, guys. I have nothing else. Yeah, you guys have a good day. Later.